Hey everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to a game changer in hair care. Say goodbye to messy box dyes and hello to Polar. Imagine dyeing your hair in under 10 minutes, with no mess, no stains, and best of all, no damage. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with Polar, it's not. Polar is a revolutionary shampoo dye that makes coloring your hair as easy as washing it. Just lather, rinse, and voila. Gorgeous, vibrant color in minutes. Whether you're looking to dye your hair for the first time or just need a quick root touch-up, Polar has you covered. It's gentle on your hair and gives you salon-quality results at home. Each Polar package comes with a 200 ml bottle of shampoo dye and a handy instructions and care pamphlet. Trust me, once you try Polar, you'll never go back to traditional box dyes. And the best part? We have a special discount just for you. Click the link in the description to get your Polar shampoo dye today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Try Polar now and say goodbye to messy, damaging box dyes forever. Click our link below in the description now and choose your hair color.